Class, welcome back. We are going to continue our lesson number 12, this time focusing on more of the applications of licensing. Now, first off and foremost, I'd like to talk a little bit of the background, not of George Washington. Of course, that's what's shown on the slide. Most of you may not realize that George Washington was a land surveyor in his day, much like Abraham Lincoln, one of our other founding fathers. But as you can imagine, them doing the survey of property lines and someone asking for a certificate of line and grade. Now, for many of you engineering students, you may not know what that is, but I had gotten an early taste of that in my early days as a licensed engineer. I was actually helping a friend of mine who had built his house, and he calls me up. He goes, "Jeff, you just got your license. Can you help me? I need a certificate of line and grade." Now, what is a certificate of line and grade? It's basically where you survey the site really from a level perspective, and you're with a tool as simple as this level, you're going around and making sure that the grading of that lot is appropriate and consistent with the plans. And you basically sign a letter or certificate that says, yes, it's good. Well, in this particular case, I had surveyed the lot. I had made sure it was good. There was a pile of debris in one of the areas of the lot, and I told my friend, make sure that that disappears, and I will give you your certificate so you can hurry and move in. A day later, I got a phone call from the city saying, are you the licensed engineer that signed this certificate? And I said, yes, I am. He said, why did you sign it realizing there was a pile of debris that interrupts the line and grade of the lot? My heart sank because I knew he was right. And he said, do you realize I could call the state and file a complaint against your license? And at that moment, I thought, my 6 years, 4 years of education, 2 additional years of training and experience was now starting to vanish before my eyes, all because I was trying to help a friend out. And I apologized. I said, you're right, that debris was supposed to be removed. And I asked for forgiveness. And I went back to my friend and said, you've got to get that removed. Otherwise, the certificate is no good. He, of course, had it removed, and I did not lose my licensing. But for moments, I thought I was in big trouble. So in our content context consult, make sure that when you sign something, that it is actually accurate to what you're signing to. And that's it of the first principal application that we'll be talking about.